Welcome! In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove delegates on the X app, also known as Twitter, right from your PC. If you've ever added someone as a delegate to help manage your account, but now want to remove them, the process is quick and simple with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once it loads, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. This button opens a list of extra options that might not fit on the main menu. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all your core account preferences. Once inside, head over to Security and Account Access. This section helps you manage who has permissions tied to your account. Now, click on Delegate. You'll see an option labeled Members you've delegated. Select that, and a list of all accounts you've given access to will appear. Take a moment to review the list carefully. When you find the account you'd like to remove, simply click Remove from Account. A confirmation prompt will pop up, just to make sure you're certain. Click Confirm, and that person's access will be revoked immediately. That's it. You've successfully removed a delegate from your X account. This change takes effect right away, so the other user will no longer have any control or privileges tied to your account. If you're managing a brand, page, or community, it's a good idea to review your delegate list from time to time. This ensures only active and trusted members have access to your profile and settings. And there, you have it, a quick and secure way to update who has access to your X account on desktop. If this guide helped you, take a moment to like and share it so others can stay updated with the latest X features. Thanks for watching.